Hi, welcome back to Dr. KJ's Age to Perfection Korean 10-Step Program. Today I'm going to be talking to you about facial mist and what mist I use throughout the day, whether it's at work, just at home, sitting around, if I'm outside at the beach, at the pool, outdoors in the sun, the mist that I like the best. So simple mist, there are different types of mist you can use on your face, but all of them really just hydrate and moisturize your skin so you look nice and dewy throughout the day. The first mist I'm going to be talking to you about is the Pixie Vitamin Wake Up Mist. Not sure if you can see that well on this. This mist, it has a nice orange blossom smell. It has some grapefruit extract. And in the morning when you're just having a hard time getting up, you can just easily just use this mist. The smells kind of invigorate you and it makes you want to get up and get ready. So how you use it, just hold all of them 6 to 8 inches away from your face and just spray. Okay, and then you just pat them in. Okay, the other mist that I really like that you can use as a mist or as your essence, and that is once again the Misha Time Revolution First Treatment Mist. This mist, I like to use it with my morning routine, my nighttime routine, but really you can use it throughout the day. If you're having one of those days where you just kind of feel blah, you feel like your skin needs some extra just rejuvenation, just use this mist throughout the day. I'm gonna use it. I like how even this mist goes on, the coat of it, not too big, not an ultra fine mist, but it's a really great mist. And once again, after you do it, you can just pat it in. If your hands are not clean, don't touch your face, just spray the mist and keep on going. The other mist I really like is the Thermal Avene. I don't even know if that's how you pronounce it. This is a mist they sell in like all over the world. I got this one from Japan, but it is from a thermal spring water in France. So it has minerals in it. It's very refreshing. I use this on hot summer days. I just spray it on my face. Hot summer days, you just pass this around. Me and my girlfriends will just pass this to each other when it's hot outside, when we just want to feel cool and refreshed. There are not other beauty products in it, so there's no like AHA, BHAs in this. Nothing else, just pure, clean, refreshing water. Love this mist, especially in the heat in the summertime. This is a must get. The other mist I like in the summertime when maybe you've been out, got a little sunburn, didn't reapply your sunblock as you needed, or just want to be cool and refreshed, is the Innisfree Aloe Revital Skin Mist. I really like this mist. It isn't an ultra fine mist like this one, but it still is a really good mist. It's a little bit bigger than ultra fine, so it is fine if you hold it further away from your face. You just spray this on. When my son has sunburn, we spray this on his back. We spray this on our faces while we're in the sun and when we get out of the sun. It just feels great on your skin. It has organic Jeju aloe, so it is a really nice product. This is a Korean brand product. The other product that I really like, I like to use this throughout the day if I'm having any acne coming up. I like the way it smells. I like the way it hydrates. I love the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Ultrafine Mist. This may be one of my favorite mists. It does have AHAs, BHAs, so it does have that like, what do you call it? It hydrates from the hyaluronic acid. The AHAs, the BHAs help keep acne away. It is a small amount, so this wouldn't be your only AHA and BHA you would use, but you just really just spray it on. I like to use this when I'm gonna be indoors. You're feeling like you just need something to refresh you. The smell is invigorating, it's refreshing, one of my favorites. So you just go like this. It's a very, very ultrafine mist. I love patting it in so I can just like smell it and you still smell it. I feel like my skin just smells like refreshing watermelon after I've used this, and I can just like smell throughout the day and you still just smell great with this product. I use it just whenever I want a little pick-me-up at home. So these are the 5 mists that I love. I love, love, love using them. Try them if you want. Let me know if you like the video. Press like, subscribe to the channel, and keep coming back for more. Thanks and have a great day.